What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Now, a brand called Meifigno reached out. The brand is Meifigno Make Life Colourful. Case for cell phone on both of them. Now, one has MagSafe built in, the other one doesn't, but we'll test both of the strengths anyway. Now, I do believe with it saying Make Life Colourful, these are colourful cases from there. But let's just go ahead and get them out the boxes. So, nice colourful boxes, little tab right there, pull it open, and there is one. So nothing else in there. Let's go ahead and take this out, and there we go, there is that one. Let's see what else you get inside. So you get what they seem to love this year, a lot of camera lens protectors. Now, I do believe these are colourful ones, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this as a completely separate video like I did last time. So make sure you stay tuned for these. So it comes with a kit and comes with this, so stay tuned for that video. I'll do that one very soon. Let's jump into the next one. Let's take it out like so, and there we go, there's the next one. Now, I don't think this one comes with anything. No, just comes with the case. So now if we flip them both around, as you can see, there is how colourful they are, including the MagSafe ring, also very, very colourful. But let me try this one on first. So, comes with a little protector over the inside. Place that out the way and we'll get the one off the outside in a second. Let's go ahead and slap the 15 Pro Max inside. So, nice bumper style cases, Meifigno branding on the side, nice clicky button, nice clicky buttons there for your volume rocker, and of course your toggle switch. It does have one. You've got these rounded sides which acts as like sort of a nice bumper for drop protection. This is like a sort of metal steel. Okay, so there is that one. Let's test out the magnet strength on the one without the MagSafe. But as you can see, before we jump into that, the camera lenses are nice and protected by that nice big housing, nice metal-y sides in the sort of anodized colours. Looks really good in that sort of like off blue, purple, greeny colour. Then you got a lip around the screen, so you can go ahead and place it face down, not have to worry about it, and then you can also turn it around and place it that way because it will not touch those cameras. Let's bring in that Nomad base stand. So let's check out wireless charging. Okay, so MagSafe is not available here whatsoever. I mean, it does seem to, you seem to find a point just right there, and it seems to hit it and connect it. You can feel it wanting to hit, but unfortunately it doesn't have MagSafe on it. Not to worry. I mean, it's trying to suction to that base stand right there. I mean, it does go on, it's just not very strong. Let's move the base stand back a minute. So there's that one. Let's go ahead and take that off, and let's try on the one with MagSafe. So place that to the side. Let's go ahead and take that piece off right there. Let's drop in the 15 Pro Max, and let's take that piece off. Looks really good. I will admit it does look really good, especially with that colourful MagSafe ring. Look like the sides. Now, as I say, same type of case, so camera housing's the same, front's the same, sides are the same. So as you can see, all the sides are the same, just that this one comes with MagSafe on it. So let's bring in the base stand again. That's the difference. That is the difference. So the usual test, let's see if it can pick up the base stand, and yes it can. Yes it can. It just picks it up like it's nothing. So yeah, so the two versions, you've got the MagSafe and the one without MagSafe. Let me know which one you go for in the comment section down below. Let me know which one you prefer. But yeah, two really, really nice cases. Go well with the blue titanium. The nice colours around the edge. Gonna suit some of yours really down to the ground. So let me know which one you go for, MagSafe or non-MagSafe. I'll leave links down below to where you can pick this up for yourself. Be sure to let me know your comments down below. Drop a like if you liked it, subs if you loved it, turn those notifications on. See you in the next one. Take care guys, see you all soon.